Good day, my friend. On this video I will show you how to clean anything copper like this to this in just a few seconds. In order to clean this very quickly, we will need some salt and half a lemon, nothing more. So what we'll do, we'll place a bit of salt into a recipient like this, and then we'll start cleaning. After that, I will show you as well another technique that may be useful to you. That's it. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I've left the inside unclean, so you can see the difference. But it's a very effective way of cleaning all the copper. I've done it as well on those bracelets. We can't see that much because inside there's an engraving which is black, which is normal. So obviously we can't see a difference like this one on this, but it works exactly the same. Now, if for instance you've got some wiring, you peel the wires and you've got a lot to clean, so that can be a bit difficult with that method. So what you do, you place those cables and that big bunch over a fire until you get a bit warm, and then you dip it into vinegar with salt, and instantly it will become clean. So that's another way of doing things. Okay, if you would like to see some videos that I've not covered, please place it on the comments and I will make my best to do it. Okay, until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.